All right, everybody, so here's the normal headlight, right? And then if I push and hold the turn signal with cancel, then the clear waters come on. All right, everybody, check this out. I have them set to their lowest setting. So there's the lowest setting, and then look, I'm gonna turn the dial here on the handlebar, and I'm gonna go up one click, like every percentage. It just turns into the sun. That's the highest setting. That's the lowest. So here we go. Watch what happens when I turn on the hazards. So with Clearwater lights, you can program all this stuff to happen. So I'm gonna turn on my hazards. Obviously my hazards will go on, but watch what the Clearwaters do. There you go. That's what happens when you put the hazards on. They start flashing at you. There you go, look at that. It's like a light show. That is freaking ridiculous.